Those are my goals for the month. See, this is a Misty. Good morning, you guys. Happy May. Welcome to my May monthly reset. And I'm so excited to be starting off fresh for a new month. It is getting warmer outside. It's springtime. I feel like my entire personality, like my whole mood changes when it's summer and spring. I want it to reset for the spring, reset for the month. I'm just inspired to carry on the good energy, the good intentions, the good vibes into May. So we're doing a monthly reset today. I know that's very different from my channel if you're new here. We usually don't do monthly resets. I think it would be really fun to like set weekly goals and to like keep track of them throughout the month. I love watching videos like this, so maybe it's inspiring to someone else. Today we're going to be talking about intentions. We're going to set some goals for the month of May. I've been so on the go lately. I just needed to kind of like get my life back together, like get back into a routine. I'm going to be doing a little bit of spring cleaning later. Anyway, I'm very excited. So I think we'll start off with the goals that I have for the month of May. So one of my goals is to get back on my health and fitness grind. For a while, I was going to the gym about 3 to 5 days a week. I had a trainer at the time, so I would go and meet with her maybe twice a week, and then I would work out by myself the other days based off of a workout plan that she created. But my goal for the month of May is to go at least 3 times a week because I have been inconsistent the past 2 Mondays with going to the gyms. And then I think some of the days that I'm not actually at the gym, I'll still likely do some form of exercise, like maybe taking Misty for walks. I'll likely spend some of the days that I'm not in the gym or maybe doing an at-home workout. But I think setting a goal to go to the gym at least 3 times a week is a great transition, like a slow transition, just to get back into routine. And then if I work out more days, then great. But at least having those 3 days, I think that would be really good for me. Sometimes I feel like I go through phases where I'll either have like a lot of things that I want to accomplish and then I'm really dedicated to it, or I set too many goals and then I'm overwhelmed. So these weekly goals are achievable. They're realistic. They're still going to be a challenge for me, but I know that I can accomplish this. I know I can do this. Like ultimately, I just want to incorporate more healthy habits so that I can just become a better version of myself. I also noticed that I've been eating out a lot more than usual. I have been on the go almost every day, either it's for work or travel or family or Misty even. And that's another reason why I think this reset is really good for me. So I'm also adding on the goal to not eat out more than 4 times a month, because usually when I eat out, it's usually like either I'm going out with friends or I'm going out with family. It's something social or just out of convenience. Because let's say I'm going out to dinner with friends or whatever, I think it's okay to have that one cheat meal. Just don't overdo it. And just so I have another measurable goal to also add on there, to cook at home a new meal at least 3 times a week. I'm also adding on not going on my phone or computer within an hour before bed. Just adding that to my night routine, I think will do wonders, because I haven't been sleeping that well. And it might just be because I aimlessly will be scrolling through TikTok for who knows how long and lose track of time. I really just want to be more productive overall and more intentional this month. And I know that I can do these things. I also have a goal of reading 1 book a month, because I used to read all the time and then I just gradually stopped reading. And I'm like, why? I used to love reading. So if you have any book recommendations, leave those down below. But I do have someone recommended this book that you see here. So this is going to be the book that I read this month. It's by Colleen Hoover. It's called Slammed. So I'm looking forward to reading that. Recommendations, feel free to leave those in the comments below so that I can check them out and add them to my book reading list. So those are my goals for the month. I'm really excited about these goals. I feel like I can accomplish them. But I also would love to hear some of your goals. So comment them down below and we can like support each other and encourage each other to accomplish these goals, because you know we got this. So the next thing on my reset agenda is to actually do some spring cleaning. Like I need to clean the house. I know I need to do laundry. I washed some clothes last night. I need to fold those clothes and put them away. I also want to strip our bed and wash our sheets and our comforter and everything. I need to do some vacuuming. I know I need to do some dusting. So, you know, just a little bit of spring cleaning. Misty, what is it? Did you hear something outside? That is a yes. I think I'm going to start with doing laundry because I like to put the laundry on while I work on other things that need to be done around the house. How did this? Misty. I don't know, you guys, I just love how minimal it is. Like, I feel like it's always so cluttered up. Most of my hair products, I was able to fit them under the sink and into this drawer, but I desperately, as you can see, still need to fully organize these drawers. But that'll be another day, another vlog. But I was able to get all of that done, so I'm very excited. Okay, so the next thing on my agenda is to clean this vanity. And before you look at it, I know that it's a mess, okay? I know, but this is what I'm working with. I don't know how I let it get this way. Yeah, we need to handle all of that. Okay, so here's the thing though. I've ordered way too many of these. Like, this is nothing compared to how many bottles of body sprays and perfumes and scented lotions, etc. These are the ones that I use the most often, and that's why I left these out. However, this is not the neatest setup. As you can see, this is a mess. So we need to handle all that. I guess this could be a little after. I ended up putting my go-to makeup products in this. I could probably use one more of these to put some more eyeshadow palettes. I also want to get something for my brushes. For now, I have my brushes in here. Then I have some eyeshadows, my go-to ones here, and then all my eye products like eyeliner, things from eyebrow. And then up here, I have foundation, primer, bronzer, blush, lip gloss. I actually did this a lot faster than I thought. Hi guys, so thank you guys so much for watching my May monthly reset. Hopefully this inspired you to do a little reset for yourself. Comment down some of your goals. If you are, maybe it's for a month, maybe it's not for a month, maybe it's for a week. I would love for you to comment those down below because I am really curious what type of goals that you guys have set for yourself. And you know, maybe we can encourage each other and support each other in the comments below. But again, thank you so much for watching, and you guys will see me very soon with another vlog. Bye!
This a ticket, talking margin for the figures. That's a comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it, get it.